In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can enjoy the HackSanta experience with your children. So we'll be looking at how they will be interacting with the site. In tutorial 2, I'll show you how you can create the list to personalize it to your family, friends, and neighbors. And in tutorial 3, I'll show you how you can use additional features to enhance the experience. So for the children, this is where you will be starting. This page is the entrance to Santa's workshop. This page and the next page are the only section of the website that the children will be viewing and working with. Everything else will be done by adults on separate pages, and again, I'll be showing you that in tutorials 2 and 3. So for now, we are just looking at how your children will use the site and what they will be able to view when they are hacking into Santa's naughty and nice lists. So the first thing you're going to do is you'll bring the kids to the computer, and this is what they will see. And you will start the adventure by hacking in to Santa's workshop. You're going to do that by guessing the password. The password will be a word that you as an adult have pre-selected and saved for just for your family. So you can do this however you want. You can make it as simple as you would like. You can make it as exciting as you want. We usually had the kids have 4 login attempts because that kind of made it a little more exciting. You can give the kids a suggestion of a password right off if you want to be able to for them to be able to hack in right away, or you can let them guess it a few times to build the excitement. As a parent, you're guiding the children through this experience. So build it in the way that you think is the best for your children and your family. Okay, so let's go ahead and hack into Santa's workshop by trying to guess the password. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've set the password to be the word Santa. But before we use that to hack into the workshop, I want to show you what happens when you use the incorrect password, which is going to happen when your kids are calling out words for you to try. That's part of the fun. So, say one of your children asks you to try the word snow. All right, you click on login and it says wrong password, 3 login attempts remaining. That's because I set the login attempts previously. I set it to be 4. That will change based on what you have selected for your family's login attempts. All right, another thing you can do, if you click over here, the children will be able to see the word that you typed in, which is great if they can read or spell. It's more fun if they can see what word you're typing in. All right, so let's try another word. Say another child wants you to try the word elf. All right, we try elf, and now it says 2 login attempts remaining. All right, so that builds the excitement and the apprehension. The kids get excited because they want to make sure they guess the password before the login attempts run out. We usually had to eventually guide the kids to the correct password, saying something that would help them guess the word or even just directly suggesting it sometimes. So let's go ahead and enter the correct password of Santa and click login. That'll take us to the workshop page. So we have hacked into Santa's workshop and we can see the nice and naughty lists. Please go to tutorial 2 to see how to add the children. So your children and their friends, whoever you've added, will already be on the lists, and now you can start to search for them. So there's 2 ways to find your kids. You can just scroll down, and this is what we always did. We just scroll down and then they could see their friends, their neighbors, and then find themselves as well. So we would just scroll down and search for them on the lists. The other way that you can do it is to go to the search bar and enter a child's name. We'll enter the name Tanya, and that brings us to Tanya. So those are the 2 ways that you can search. You'll notice that there are children that are moving across the screen. That's to show that nobody is really stuck on the naughty list, right? A child can move throughout the season from the naughty list to the nice list and vice versa. You can also say that Santa must be in his workshop also, and he may be updating the lists. So this is the basic page. We have additional features that you can use to enhance the experience. You can add Christmas music that will play while you're searching that will make the experience more festive. And there's also an intruder detected feature that you can set that adds to the excitement. I will show you how to use both of those features in tutorial 3.